You'll have love at first sight with the 2018 Ford Flex. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 90,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this Flex, the SUV that delivers spacious 3-row seating, plenty of cargo room, and ergonomic controls to optimize driver comfort, all wrapped in distinctive low-profile styling. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. This Flex is the ideal family SUV, and it won't last long. Stop in today. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience.